Before we started travelling in our van full time, we had some practice weekends. And here are the highlights. First meal in the camper.
I'm so excited! It is out of a jar, but I'm really excited.
Can you get any more English? This is quintessentially English.
Penshurst Place and a nice game of cricket.
Oh yeah.
Anyone but you? Oh, Mr. Darcy, you look so dashing there.
Oh, I've just gone out of the pond.
Ooh. I've just learnt something new. We say to collect the dole in the UK or to dole something out, and this I think must come from this. So this is a dole table that was in medieval times, one of only a few left in the UK, and it says that it was in the old days they used to put food and clothes on here for the poor to dole it out on a dole table. How cool a camp spot is this for tonight? Bodium Castle behind us, and we have spent all day parked up halfway between a heritage railway, some oast houses and this amazing castle. And here we are again, skirting around the edge of a historic building without paying to go in, but walking on the footpath. Fab do. The beauty of having a van is that you can park for free in places like this.
Just been to the art gallery behind us.
For an opening night. A glass of bubbles for me, thank you very much, don't mind if I do.
We're in Horsted Keynes, the Bluebell Railway, and we're waiting for the train to come in. We have got some real ale. We've got some guys playing music, just seems at the moment just for us.
Yes.
And we're camping in their car park. What could be better? Beer, dancing, jazz, and the smell of steam.